Let's turn these ordinary rocks into something resembling art, using every means necessary: paint, beads, rhinestones, and an enormous amount of glitter. It should have been a simple, easy project. Instead, my phone survived an attempted murder. Listen to it scream. I was interrupted approximately every 5 seconds. Seriously. I have found a beautiful rockhounding spot. Let me show you. Look. Hey doggy. It's quite crowded. There are beautiful rocks here. Look. I don't know which river it is. As the video continues, you'll see me show you a few of them on camera before I realize that this place is perfect for collecting rocks to paint. I have brought this. I will wet the rocks so I can see them better. We're actually under some kind of bridge. It's an old train bridge. Let me get closer. And thanks to our perfect little DJI drone, our eye in the sky, we can see the entire bridge from above. It's beautiful green. I hope it's not moss. Look here. Look here. Our little flying machine can reach places we can only admire from afar. Let me show you a few of the interesting rocks I found there. If you recognize any of these rocks, please comment below, because my identification skills only go as far as pretty rock. Let's wait. Everything is going perfectly until my phone falls into the water. And just listen to it protesting to its working conditions. Okay, calm down. A few days later and the rocks are completely dry. They're beautiful, just as nature made them. But I already have a project in mind. So, let's get started. The Giso primer has done its job, and I may have cheated just a little by creating one art rock behind the scenes so that I can be prepared for the ones I'm making on camera. But isn't it beautiful? Now let's meet our accomplices. First, acrylic paints, some from Temu, others from local shops. Nothing expensive or professional, just a chaotic collection of colors that I've gathered over time. Glitter, appear! I don't need a magic wand. And glitter glue, of course. Apparently, while I thought I was randomly buying beads, my subconscious was secretly planning an entire underwater world. Ocean theme confirmed. Look at these beads. I'd call these mermaid colors. I think I have rhinestones in every color. Tiny colorful fish beads and little starfish. I'll use B7000 glue to attach the heavier pieces. Of course, some perfectly irrelevant stickers. Look at that! I've seen places like that on the Greek islands. Underwater ruins, sunken cities, abandoned ships. I don't know yet. Maybe some of these ideas will make it into the project. I have delayed this for as long as humanly possible. Now it's time to find out what I can actually do.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.
the first art rock is finished. What do you think? I'm just trying to remove the mermaid tails. I kind of like it. What do you think? On to the next one. I'm letting the shape of the rock guide the design.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
I'm having so much fun with this, and if you're not confident in your drawing skills, using stickers and embellishments is a great way to create something beautiful. This one turned out unexpectedly beautiful. I didn't have a plan, I simply followed what I saw in the rock and let each detail lead to the next, if that makes sense.
Taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand.
A beautiful little underwater world filled with pearls, bubbles and, who knows, maybe hidden treasures.
Into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me
The
like
painting is finally finished, and here they all are. Now, they just need one final coat of acrylic varnish to seal the colors, protect all that hard work, and bring everything to life. And if you know, you know. No creative project is complete without creating one final masterpiece. The huge mess.